Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a mesh in Fusion 360 Easy Guide. Open Fusion 360 and switch to the mesh workspace, then import or select your STL file. Run Inspect Mesh to find errors, then use Modify Repair to automatically fix holes and non-manifold edges. Manually select bad triangles to delete or fill, remesh for even density, and run a final validation before exporting your repaired model. Work through problem areas with the Select and Delete tools, then use Fill Hole to close gaps and bridge to create supporting geometry. Use Reduce or Remesh to even triangle density, and Smooth to tidy surfaces without losing important detail. Check normals and flip if needed, and combine small islands with stitch. Save incremental versions so you can revert, and always run one final inspect pass to confirm a clean, printable mesh. Quick ad break. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more Fusion 360 tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice you see here to freshen your ride. I linked the product and other deals in the description for easy access. Your likes directly help me make clearer tutorials and faster demos for everyone, and now let's get back to the video. After repairing, convert the mesh to a B-rep or T-spline body if you need CAD level edits, using mesh to B-rep conversion carefully to avoid heavy face counts. Simplify the model where possible, then use patch and stitch to create watertight surfaces. Use the Combine tool to merge bodies and check for zero thickness faces. Export as STL with the correct units and resolution for printing or further CAD workflows and archiving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.